So dear students, in the previous class we saw the introduction about stock exchange and a brief introduction about the chapter 7 stock exchange. That is as a synopsis of the lesson. Now this class we are going to see about 7.1 stock exchange chapter 7.1. There are three concepts now we are going to see, namely origin, meaning and definition of stock exchange. These three concepts today we are going to see. What are the concepts? Origin, meaning and definition of stock exchange. So regarding origin of stock exchange, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, which was the oldest stock exchange in the world. Amsterdam Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in the world, which was established in the year 1602 by Dutch East India Company. The name of the company is VOC. VOC is the Dutch East India Company, which established the Amsterdam Stock Exchange in the year 1602, which was the oldest stock exchange in the world. Whereas in India, the Native Shares and Stock Brokers Association, the Native Shares and Stock Brokers Association is the first stock exchange in India, which was recognized by the Government of India on August 31st, 1957 under Security Contract Regulation Act of 1956. So, particularly in India, the first stock exchange, the name as the Native Shares and Stock Brokers Association, which was recognized by the Government of India under the Security Contract Regulation Act of 56, which was recognized in the year August 31, 1957. Subsequently, it became the Bombay Stock Exchange. That is, the Native Shares Stock Brokers Association as the renamed as the Bombay Stock Exchange, which is the first stock exchange in India. This is the origin of stock exchange. Apart from these stock exchanges, the other stock exchanges are Tokyo Stock Exchange, Bangkok Stock Exchange, Singapore Stock Exchange, Dubai Stock Exchange, and New York Stock Exchanges. Apart from the above mentioned stock exchanges, the following are some of the stock exchanges which are functioning in the world level. This is the origin of the stock exchange. Then next concept is meaning of stock exchange. The share market and stock market is also called a stock exchange. Share market and stock market also called as stock exchange. Otherwise, stock exchange is also called as share market and stock market. So, stock exchange or stock market is an organized market for buying and selling of industrial and financial securities. Stock exchange is an organized market. We saw the previous class. It is an organized market for buying and selling of industrial and financial securities. So, what about the industrial and financial securities? It's nothing but shares, debentures, bonds of the government, corporate companies, municipalities, and port trust. So, in the organized market, buying and selling of industrial and financial securities are taking place of shares, debentures, bonds of government, corporate companies, municipalities, and port trust. Not only buying and selling of securities, and also providing the essential services or useful services which are highly required for the investors as well as the borrowing companies. So simply we say share market or stock market not only involving in buying and selling of securities or helping in buying and selling of securities and also providing the essential services in connection with buying and selling of industrial and financial securities. It's a highly needed for investors and borrowing companies. So this is the meaning of share market or stock exchange. Then the most popular stock exchange in the world is London Stock Exchange. The most popular stock exchange in the world is London Stock Exchange, whereas in India is Bombay Stock Exchange, the most popular stock exchanges. Then next concept is definition of stock exchange. There are three definitions for stock exchange. What are the three definitions? One is given by Hastings. Next one is given by Usman Dockery. Number 3, Indian Security Contract Regulation Act of 1956. There are three definitions for stock exchange. Now, number 1, Hastings. According to Hastings, stock exchange or the security market, which is a place comprises of all the places where buying and selling of stocks and bonds. I repeat once again. According to Hastings, stock exchange or security market, which comprises of all the places where buying and selling of stocks and bonds. In addition to the representatives of stock exchange undertake involved in the sale of securities. The transactions are involving in the sale of securities. This is a definition given by Hastings. Security exchange, stock exchange or security market comprises of all the places where buying and selling of stocks and bonds, and the representatives undertake their transactions involving in the sale of securities. This is the stock exchange definition given by Hastings. And another definition given by Aston Dockery. According to him, stock exchange is a privately organized place of market. Privately organized market which is used to facilitate in trading of securities. So, three important points you bear in mind in the second definition. Number 1, it is a privately organized market or place. The place utilized or used to facilitate. Facilitate means providing or rendering of services or making of necessary arrangements, that is known as used to facilitate in connection with trading in securities, that means buying and selling of securities. So, 3 points to bear in mind in the second definition, namely stock exchange is a privately organized market or place which is used to facilitate in trading of securities. This is second definition. And third most important definition, according to Indian Security Contract Regulation Act of 1956. This is the most important definition out of these three definitions. So according to this act, it is an association. That means stock exchange is an association or organization or body of individuals. Stock exchange is an association or organization or body of individuals, whether it is incorporated or not, whether the association or the organization or incorporated or not, that means registered or not, for the purpose of assisting, regulating, controlling of business, assisting, regulating, controlling of business in buying and selling of securities. Buying and selling of securities. So I repeat once again the definition according to 1956 Indian Contract Regulation Act of 1956. It is a stock exchange is an association or organization or body of individuals, whether it is incorporated or not, for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling of business, which is involving in buying and the selling of securities. So this is the third definition. So now we are very clear about the three concepts, namely origin, meaning and the definition of stock exchanges. So this is 7.1. So in 7.1, three concepts are included, namely origin, meaning and the definition. So origin you have to write all these things. Then meaning you have to write all these things. Then regarding definition, you have to write three definitions. So the most important definition is Indian Contract Regulation Act of 1956. You should bear in mind the questions will be asked like what is the meaning of share market? What is the definition of share market? So go through all these portions.